Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be testing out the palette that I got in my latest BoxyCharm box. It is from Butter London and it is Teddy Boy. This is a 9-piece neutral palette. I'm not normally someone who reaches and gravitates towards neutral tone palettes, but we decided to test it out, try it out, see how it goes. So if you want to see how I got this look and what I think about this palette, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just priming my eyes with a little bit of concealer. And the one that I am using is this L'Oreal concealer, just the one that I'm wearing. It's just really convenient. So we're going to be testing this palette out today. This is from Butter London and this is Teddy Boy. This palette's more along the lines of a cool tone palette. So I'll just show you what it looks like really quickly. We're just going to test it out. We're not going to do anything super crazy, but it just has really beautiful blues. So I think, okay, so the first color we're going to go in with is this right here, which is Simon. And I'm going to use the brush set that it came with, which is this right here. This is what it looks like. It's the Morphe I Got This 4-piece eye brush. And yeah, okay. So the first one we're going to go in with is this really nice fluffy brush. The handles look really long. Where's my other Morphe brushes to kind of do a little comparison, because they actually feel like they're a lot longer than the ones that I have. And yeah, it's a little longer. This is my M502. This is the one that it came with. So there's a little bit more of a handle, lengthier handle. Should probably organize my brushes a little better. Okay, so I'm just going to use this brush right here, and I'm going to go in with a Nigel, which is this bone colored right here. So I was trying to make sure that it was in frame. We're just going to work this on to the brow bone area. So it's pretty pigmented and there is a little bit of fallout. I'm not sure if it's picking up. Just gonna keep it right there. Now we're going in with Simon. I'm not holding this right. Okay, now we're going in with Simon. So I'm just going to run this right above my crease and just really work this in. So this palette is more along the lines of a cool tone palette, and that's not usually what I reach for. So this is going to be a little bit out of my comfort zone. But I do like the navy blue. I do like a lot of the colors in here. It's just I'm not drawn to all of the colors in this palette. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring this out a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a clean brush and just kind of blend those two colors together. Taking the smaller brush, I'm gonna go in with Rupert, which is a really nice dark navy blue. And I'm just gonna work this in the outer V. I probably should have put some powder underneath, so hopefully there's no fallout, or not much. So I'm just gonna pull this out to create a little bit of a winged effect. And then I'm just running this down onto my lid. Okay, so with this blue, I'm just kind of diagonally placing this on my lid. So hopefully you guys can see. And I'm not noticing any fallout with this blue, so pretty happy about that. Okay, I think we're good. I do like that smoked out cat eye. I'm taking the flat brush in that brush set. I'm going in with this middle shade right here, which is Billy. I'm gonna work this and run this on the lid. So I'm going to start, right here. So I'm just going to keep this color right here, and then we're just gonna connect and blend these two colors together. There's a navy blue in here too, Mick, so I may add that. Actually, you know what? I think I need to Freddy. I'm not too sure. Okay, let me just work on the lid. Okay, so I'm just gradually blending those two colors together. We are gonna add another color in between, just so it's a nicer blend. But I do like that lid shade. So that small fluffy brush that we used to do the darkest color, I'm gonna go in with Freddy. I did clean it off a little bit. Taking just a little bit, I'm just going to run this in between. Again, more on a diagonal. Oh, I just got shadow on my nose. Okay, like I said, we're just gonna go diagonal and just buff this in. I'm definitely skipping liner. I just haven't been into liner lately. I still want that cat eye. So I'm gonna go back in with Freddy and I'm gonna run this on my lower lash line because I don't think I want it too dark on the bottom. And I am liking the way this blue is going on. I'm gonna stop this blue right here. I'm not gonna bring it all the way because I want to open up my eyes just a little bit. Okay, so I am gonna go in with a very tiny amount of Rupert and just add this right in the outer portion. I just want to darken the outer edges just a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna add this Billy right in the inner tear duct. I do really like this color, but I want to open up my eyes a little more because this is so dark, but I don't want to go stark white with this, and that's what I feel this is gonna do. So I may mix it just for like a little bit of a pop. Okay. Tiny amount, tiny. And we're just gonna, okay, that's not too bad. I just want a little bit. So I'm being really careful, and I'm only putting it directly in the center. So I'm gonna use my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Yes, that's what we're going to use, and I'm looking for a small brush. Okay, this one's small. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight my nose first. And then I'm going to soften it. I'm going to take this Nalanie Romantic Rose blush and just work it all the way up here and on the apples of my cheek. I'm just adding a little bit bronzer. Just working it right there. All right, so this is the completed look. For my lips, I went in with these two Morphe lip liners, Toasty and Love Bite, and then a little bit of Velvet Teddy right in the center from MAC. But overall, I really, really liked the way this makeup look turned out. I really loved the way this palette performed and the shadows in here. Everything was super pigmented, little to no fallout. I think the only shadow I had a little bit of fallout with was the very, very first shade, which was this Nigel shade right here that I applied right in the brow bone, but everything just blended in really nice. It was very, very easy to pack on and just layer the colors and just make it really, really intense if you wanted it to, but everything just blended out really nice. It worked out really well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review tutorial video, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just said that, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.